Does everyone here know Sneaker Sister? I'm sure we do, surely. It's one of the most recognised female platforms in the scene. Yeah, I'll have a round of applause, Sneaker Sister. Jules, can we get some insight into how it all started? And of course, by all means, shout out your co-founders as well, if you'd like.
I'll start with my co-founders. One of them is on Team London, Jay, and the other, Julia and Chelsea. It started from the Blue Chills Jordan 1 pick up at Offspring, and from there it just kind of stemmed into a group, and we just look after each other.
It took them 123 seconds to complete the electric wire. Nice.
It's alright, it's not bad.
Alright. In second place, guys, absolutely unbelievable, we have the one and only Berlin! In this edition, we're walking 450 points. It took Berlin 125 seconds, which is longer than Amsterdam, but they still managed to beat Amsterdam.
Ooh.
You know, but it's alright, we move. But listen, talking about shaking the table. You have to look at London. Listen, you need to give them a big up. Number one, the winning team today is London. Theodosius, 560 points. Only 36 seconds.
Pick it up, Caramel Rock Official. And also want us to say thank you so much to Nike and having this opportunity, and I'm so grateful, so thank you.
I'm in and out to hit you up.
Yeah, absolutely. For professionals. Exactly.
Yeah, so you can follow Sneakers and Houseplants on Instagram, and I'm Tasha Baines _, and then our co-founder is Joe Birch there.
Yeah, at Sneaker Sisterhood for the community, and then I'm at Julia Z12, but you probably won't find me because nobody can spell my name.
And do you also want to shout out Europa League Women?
Oh, I mean, if you're into women's basketball, EuroLeague Women, it's great. Go watch.
Sick. Well, thank you so much to our wonderful guest. I have been... I've been Sandy Paul. You guys can follow me at Her Story in Sneakers. You can grab some business cards. The QR code is on the back. I'm very proud of it. Then you can follow my personal page at skg.jpeg with an E. Once again, let's hear it for the fact that London won!
The way gang me loving Passat and loving the stance. More time I go shopping than from.
Guessing you thought you was leveling up like young Griff does, let's get it in cars. Inside balance in love with all that I want, I ain't had it enough. She's a beautiful woman, packing a punch, no supplement. Mum till I take her for lunch, just savage enough with a classical touch. Ride or die, don't be saddling up, need a magical bus to connect with the infinite. Heavens above, I can sing to it, cause if hell is on earth, we're swimming in it. Right, praise for us, I think we're waking up.
Surprised how the pain change ya. Close friends become strangers. You're my mind in the gutter, but my heart's in paradise. I'm addicted to gang signs and heart eyes. I'm the leader of the pack, this ain't no cat and mouse. You said you had my back, you look me in my eyes. This is real life, not sci-fi. I pull up in a spaceship, they're high. I'm with some fly-ass chicks, cabin crew. I've been doing me, I ain't watching you.